a startup manufacturer on a mission to create safe, practical, sustainable transport for businesses and business people in emerging markets.
In about the 2000s, the car industry had cracked making cars, right? And ever since then, all they've done is make them more expensive, more shiny, more swoopy, more digital. But they've never done anything that makes them better at moving things from A to B. And the problem there is it's left behind those countries that don't have decent roads, dealership networks, financial services. And so people are still moving things around on bicycle, moving things around on animal power. 70% of the goods in Africa are moved on the heads of women and children, which is just frankly insane. So we're doing something completely different to everybody else because we're focusing on those people who don't buy cars, not on the people who do.
The product is this, the Ox Truck. This is the prototype model for the Ox 3, designed to navigate the rough terrain of Rwanda.
A lot of the challenges that we see are around vehicle uptime. And so a lot of our design efforts are around part commonality, ease of repair. You can see we've got flat sheet body panels that are easy to replace in market. They're timber, you can cut them out in market and replace them. So that's the really key factor for us with the truck is when it breaks, because things break very easily in that environment, that it can be repaired quickly and easily. And got back on the road as soon as possible.
The Ox Truck is also 100% electric, not something you see very many of in Africa.
We're very used to Elon telling us that EVs are great about going really fast and all of those things. Well, actually, do you remember milk floats? EVs are really good at going slowly, lots of torque, really low running costs. And actually, therefore, they're perfect for logistics. We're starting to see the van segment in Europe go EV. The HGV segment is going with the Tesla Semi, and the numbers are just way better than a conventional ICE. So the reason we go EV is because it's cheaper to operate. In commercial vehicles, you move stuff to the same place every day, and you know where you're going before you set out. So infrastructure is only really a problem in personal transport. Commercial transport, you have your own infrastructure, you charge your trucks up and you send them out on the distances they can do.
Drivers of change, but are planning to expand into other areas of the world where reliable commercial transport is greatly needed.